If you want to add your email ID on every YouTube video description automatically by using your Android phone, I'm going to show you completely. First, you need to open any browser. You can't do this process within the YouTube app, so you need to open any browser. For now, I just open Google Chrome and just click here and just type studio.youtube.com and search. Then long press over this YouTube Studio and click open in new tab. Click the new tab options and open the new tab. Now click continue to Studio. Yeah, now it's enter into this page. If you doesn't see this page, click these three dots and click desktop site. Then definitely you can see this. Now zoom like this and click your profile and click switch account and change the account if you want. For me, I don't want that, so I just click back. Okay, now zoom here at the bottom. Then you can see these settings like icon. Click that. Now here you can see upload default. Touch that. Yeah, this is the page. Here you can see title and description. Here you need to enter your email ID. If you want to give space, just tab like this. And here just type contact me on email, for sponsorship on email, something like that. I just type contact me on email. Just like that, I just added our Daily Doubts email address. Then click save. That's it, it's changed now. After this, if you want to upload a video on mobile, you need to claim this web version of YouTube Studio and here zoom like this and click create, upload video or short, anything, and just click this and just click photos and videos and just select the video you want to upload. Yeah, now you can see when I choose the file, here on the description the Gmail ID will be automatically added. Here you can see this is how it works. So after this, you just minimize this and open YT Studio app and click content and just select the video and do the process here. Just click this pencil, and if you want to add thumbnail, title, description, anything, here you can add that. You can do all the process here, but if it's difficult means you can use the YT Studio. And one thing you have to remember, if you open YouTube and upload the video, it will not fetch your email ID automatically. So in order to get this automatically on every video, you need to open YouTube Studio on browser, just like that. This is how it works. And if you want to know more videos about YouTube, watch this video.